Most people approach senior living with the same mindset they use for buying a regular apartment. And that's where the confusion starts. Senior living is not missold deliberately, but it is underexplained. Builders focus on brochures, amenities, and lifestyle words. What they often don't clarify are the practical realities. Let me walk you through some of the most common myths I see families struggling with, especially NRIs and children buying for parents. Myth number one: senior living is just a home with extra amenities. This is the biggest misconception. Senior living is not just a flat with a medical room, a cafeteria, a clubhouse. It is an operational ecosystem. What matters more than the apartment is how medical response actually works, how staff availability is managed, how emergencies are handled at 2 a.m., how care scales as age progresses. If you evaluate senior living like a normal residential project, you miss the most important layer: operations. Myth number two: medical care means doctors on campus. Families often assume डॉक्टर है, मेडिकल टाई अप है तो सब सॉर्टेड आउट है. Not really. The real questions are: is medical care on call or on site? Is it preventive or only reactive? Who decides escalation, staff or family? What happens before an ambulance arrives? Medical presence on paper and medical response in real situations are very different things. Senior living works when systems are clear, not when assumptions are made. Myth number three: maintenance covers everything. Another common misunderstanding: in senior living, there is maintenance cost, service cost, care related charges, optional assistance cost. Many families realize this after the possession. The issue is not the cost itself, the issue is lack of clarity upfront. Senior living should be evaluated like a service model, not just a one time property purchase. Myth number four: parents will automatically feel comfortable there. Comfort is not guaranteed by branding. Some seniors adapt beautifully, others struggle emotionally. Why? Because comfort depends on independence levels, social alignment, personal routines, willingness to accept managed living. Senior living works best when parents are part of the decision, not just beneficiaries of it. Myth number five: resale and exit will be easy later. This is rarely discussed clearly. Senior living resale behaves differently from normal housing. Factors like age restrictions, operator approvals, demand cycles, limited buyer pool all affect liquidity. Senior living should be seen as a lifestyle solution, not a short term investment product. Exit planning matters, especially for NRIs. What families should actually ask instead of asking only flat size kya hai, amenities kya milengi, ask: how does daily care scale with age? What changes after 5 to 7 years? How transparent are service charges? What happens in medical emergencies? What does exit really look like? These answers matter far more than brochure visuals. Senior living can be an excellent decision when chosen for the right reasons, but it becomes stressful when expectations are built on assumptions instead of clarity. Treat senior living as a long term lifestyle decision, a care ecosystem, a managed environment, not just another real estate purchase. That distinction makes all the difference. Thanks for listening.